Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Let's explore the word ask. Ask means to inquire about something by posing a question. You can use ask when you're inquiring about something by posing a question. For example, you might ask for directions, ask about someone's well-being, or ask for clarification. In a sentence, you could say, I asked my teacher for help with the assignment. Here, asked indicates the action of inquiring about help with the assignment. Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. I ask my friend for advice when I need it. I asked my boss about the new project. I will ask my parents for permission to go to the party. I am asking the salesperson about the different options available. I have asked my colleague for feedback on my presentation. I was asking my neighbor for information about local schools. I had asked the waiter for a refill before. I am going to ask my doctor about the side effects of the medication. I will have to ask my teacher for an extension on the deadline. I would ask my grandparents for stories about their childhood. I am asking my friend to borrow his car for the weekend. I asked the librarian for help finding a book. I will ask the customer service representative for assistance with my account. I have asked my landlord for repairs to be done in the apartment. I was asking my coach for tips on improving my technique. I had asked my sister for recommendations for a good restaurant. I am going to ask my colleague to cover for me while I'm on vacation. I will have asked my professor for clarification on the assignment by tomorrow. I would ask my friend for a ride to the airport if I needed one. I am asking my roommate if he wants to join us for dinner. And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning.